What's up, YouTube? So in today's video, I'm exhausted. I'm gonna be installing a AWE tuning exhaust in my car. AWE tuning switch path. It retains function to open up your valves. Usually, whenever you do install an aftermarket exhaust, you compromise the function of the valves opening and closing. But this is not new. This, I went to my local junkyard and I did get it for a super good deal. I brought it with everything, the clamps, everything, bro. Even these shits right here. But I just want a little tad more louder than it is, and hopefully this gets the job done. But let's get this bad boy. Look, it says unlocks performance. Let's really hope that it does.
I'm back in my back in my bag flow. Back again, yeah, we keep on stacking it. What's happening? Everything in Gucci got me feeling like I'm dapper then. Life has been a movie, yeah, so shout out.
Bruh, this fucking shit was giving me a hard ass time. They all came out good, but this one, bro, like all of them came out good, but only this one. And look, nomás estos ya se barrieron a la verga. I'm trying to put a bigger one in there, and I'm hitting it para que lo quite, but like they all came out good, menos estos, este y este. I think they're just so rusted, like not that much, but like they're just so stuck de que tanto tiempo no lo mueven a la verga. But once I take this off, bro, literally the rest son pinches gomas y ya lo quito a la verga. Let's take this bad boy out. Oh shit. This shit heavy as fuck. Damn. That's crazy. This is literally like the M4's dick, and I just chopped it off. It's okay though. It's gonna have a polished one. But fuck, that was so easy, bro. I literally struggled so much just because of these two bolts that I had to cut off because they were just like so stuck on there. I had to cut them shits off.
Run and keep my motor going. Hey, hey. People feel away, but they don't show it. Gotta watch the people that's around you, that you grow it. They be coming around you with some plans to steal your moment. Soon as I bust a nut, she be like, baby, where you going? Never slowing down.
Got it. Bam. That one is so hard. And it's that one in the back, you can barely see it. It's right, like right there. That's like the toughest one. And this one's a little bit. You can probably squeeze in this one right here. This one doesn't fit, so I have to put it in through this side and then kind of grab it, like maneuver and shit. Like, but honestly, that's like the hardest one. And the rest is like easy.
Going, never slowing down, it's enough to go around. Yeah, you probably knew it's then, but really you don't know it's now. Niggas love to show and tell, but all my niggas know me well. It was either chase a dream or go to jail, but none of us ain't going. And we going back to back on them like we Huey and we Riley. This that back in my back flow, we back again so highly. This that back in my back flow, we back to change the climate.
Bam. What the hell? Okay, we're ready to rumbo. Should I turn the car on like this or what? It's like no. I'm not trying to scratch it. That polished this shit.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna pick you up in school with, bro. I'm gonna be loud now. Whenever I go pick you up, you're gonna hear me like.
I already do.
Fuck!
He put his butthole in the screen.
There you go. The whole exhaust system is installed. Hold on. Let me just fix my hair real quick. Well, that looks pretty good. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna just adjust these, the tips. I want the letters to like look good. This one's too inside. and this one's to inside. I want to push this one a little bit back, push one a little out. Just do those small adjustments and let's get fucking done. Perfect. Perfecto. I think, actually, hold on. I think I need to take this one out a little bit more. Yeah. Part is done, completely finished. I would have finished way quicker if it wasn't for those 2 bolts. I'm just waiting for my dad to like let me know if everything's smooth right here before I back it up. I'm so excited to turn this shit on, but fuck. Okay, these are good. Which one's better? Let me know. Like this or like this? Something that I do really like about what came with the exhaust is that they gave you one that says AWE tuning. Everything so smoothly. The only thing that I suggest is that you gotta be good with your hands to tighten up those 2 bolts right here. Those probably like the hardest part from doing this, but other than that, super easy, super straightforward. Probably like 8 bolts max. But yeah, guys, I want to turn this shit on. I'm gonna get my pops real quick. Excited? You excited?
Yeah.
¿Sí? Ahí va, No me la voy a poner así. Y me está quitado. Déjale ya.
Oh shoot.
All right, so the valves were closed. Now they're open. That just sounds good. Okay, guys, well, that's gonna wrap up the video. I hope you guys liked it. My exhaust kind of did sound like that already, just because my stock exhaust was already modified by the previous owner. So, but I like it. It sounds a little better. But yeah, it's pretty smooth. Not too hard to do again. And I'll leave a link of where you could get this exhaust. I got it at my local junkyard, which I got it for a good ass deal. I didn't even show you guys the what else I got. I got a OEM front lip, OEM carbon splitters, a bunch of other goodies. But yeah, guys, well, I'm gonna wrap it up. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. Peace.